Do you know what humans fear the most in life? Taking risks. Risk includes the possibility of losing something, and in order to reach great successes and extraordinary achievements, we face a lot of risks that require sacrifice, dedication, and belief. And most importantly, time and patience. The reason why people fear taking risks is that they may fall back behind. Most people believe that there is a timeline that everyone should follow to succeed in life. Finishing school, university, work, getting married, and retiring eventually. The thing is, each one of us has a unique journey in this life. Some may graduate early, others may be late to enter university, and others may never get to enter a university and they might immediately start working. The list of diverse scenarios could run for miles. And none of those scenarios make someone more successful than any other person in life. These different scenarios merely make us different. Failure is never the end. Delay happens for a reason. Quit comparing yourself to others. You write your own story at your own time. Let it be adventurous, fearless, and filled of unpredictability.